Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 64 raised to the power of square root of x plus 1. This is equal to 8. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution here. This is 64 raised to the power of square root of x plus 1. This is equal to 8. Now we can express 64. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 6. So we have 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by square root of x plus 1. This is equal to 8, which is 2 to the power of 3. Now, since the bases are common here, that is a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m. Since the bases are common, exponent n should be equal to m. Let's apply this property so that now we have 6 multiplied by square root of x plus 1. This is equal to 3. Now, the next step is to divide both sides by 6. And this implies that we have square root of x plus 1. This is equal to 3 divided by 6. This is equal to a half. So we have a half here. Now, the next step from here, let's square on both sides. So that now, here we eliminate the square root sign, and this means we have x plus 1. This is equal to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. This is 1 over 4. So 1 is a whole number, so this is over 1, and x is over 1. So the LCM is 4. So let's multiply everything here by 4. So that now, x times 4, this is 4x, plus 1 times 4, this is 4, and this is equal to 1. The next step is to take plus 4 on the right hand side so that we have 4x. This is equal to 1 minus 4. And this implies that 4x is equal to 1 minus 4. This is minus 3. So let's divide both sides by 4. So that now, let's simplify 4 and 4 here so that x is equal to minus 3 over 4. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now, let's check if this value of x satisfies the equation. Remember, we have 64 raised to the power of square root of x plus 1. This should give us a value of 8. So this is 64 raised to the power of square root of, now this is minus 3 over 4 plus 1. So this means that here, this is minus 3 over 4 plus 1. 1 is a whole number, so we have the LCM as 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times minus 3. This is minus 3 plus 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 1. This is 4. So we have minus 3 plus 4, which is 1 over 4. So here we have the square 64 raised to the power of square root of 1 over 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 8. Now, 64 is 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by, now square root of 1 over 4, this is 1 over 2, and this should give us a value of 8. Now we can simplify here. 6 divided by 2, this is equal to 3. So we have 2 to the power of 3. This should give us a value of 8. 2 to the power of 3, this is 8, and this is equal to 8. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this confirms that the value of x, which is equal to minus 3 over 4, satisfies the equation. So this is the solution to this exponential equation. So thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.